let's put in GBP USD. The reason I'm using this one and not Alveo, I want to see where the actual gap is. This will involve 700 different contributing banks. And I want to get down to the lowest time frame that I can get. Let's go down to a tick chart and then go back. So what this is a tick chart, and this is from, what I'm pulling up is from 700 different banks. Are you guys following me so far? And I need to go back just a little bit farther before it got down. Let me grab this. I just got to go back some. Come on. It's not, I got to come in here and adjust the time, and it's locking up for just a second. It's updating so fast, it's not letting me get in to adjust the time right there. Oh, no, it is. Oh, they changed the window. Interesting. Interesting. You see where the time is down there? On the new window, it's inside here. I just got an update on this. So let's go back to 8:55 p.m. This is an hour ago. So it wasn't even within an hour. So I got to come down here and hit time. Yeah, so 9. Let's go to 8. So I'm going to go clear back to 6 o'clock. I don't know if I can get that much data, but I'm going to try. Okay, so 6 o'clock p.m. That was 7 because it's 55. Yeah, it got that. So now the only pairs that could have been filled inside here, the only amount of trades, whatever the volume is on this bar right here. So we need volume. And this isn't real volume. This is just the number of bid updates. But look at that right here. So we go in and on that, that's like one, that's like, because we're on a tick chart, that's going to be one trade. So let me grab this right here. So the volume on a tick chart's always 1. I didn't need to pull that up. I want to zoom in on this drop. So I got to zoom in so that I can actually see the individual pips or updates. Do you guys see this right here? Yeah, it gapped down without filling anyone right there. This is coming from 700 banks. This gap, it gapped from right here down because of that poll data. The banks saw this coming out, and you know we're at a time of night when a lot of the banks are closed, so you don't have as much liquidity. So some of the banks wouldn't be participating. That is an actual physical drop, and if you're the next trade, you get filled there. And if you're the next trade after that, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 trades is all. Only 6 people could have gotten filled in real life down to here if you were on the other side of it, and then it starts filling more. Those 2 drops right there, those 2 drops, it would be impossible to get a fill out of that because the banks backed away too fast, and it was a thinly traded part of the night, and they pulled this down in that many trades. So this is your first drop, that's your second drop. Does that make sense?